So here we have a nice one for limits, and to then do this one we'll use the fact that when g of x exists and f of x is continuous, we claim that so with this in mind we proceed. So what I'm saying is we just need to evaluate this limit. So this is limit for which we'll apply L'Hopital's rule. So that says this limit is into 1 by 2 root x divided by so 1 by 2 root x gets cancelled out from numerator and denominator, and we are left with we'll again apply L'Hopital rule to get so this becomes the derivative of this thing, which is the power of root alpha minus root x into 1 by 2 root x, and the derivative of this thing, which is 1 by 2 root x. So again 1 by 2 root x gets cancelled out. So this is no longer an indeterminate form and the limit simply becomes 2. So remember we needed to find, so we just found the argument of f, so we still, our final answer would be f of 2, which is sine pi by 6, sine 30 degrees half. So the answer is half.